Welcome back. Now, in order to deliver your content, you are going to need to be able to create some kind of zip file so that you can upload it to a place where your customer will be able to download it. And in order to do that, we are going to use a popular app from the App Store, probably not already on your iPhone. You're going to want to search the App Store for the app called Bundler. Once you find it, you're then going to click View. You'll see the page open up onto your iPhone. When you do that, you'll then click Get. The app should download quickly onto your iPhone. You'll then click Open. And when you first enter the app, you're going to want to click the Show Me button. You're then going to click the Tap Share button. We're then going to click the More command, and then we're going to enable the Bundler application. We'll then click Done. Then what you're going to do is you're going to head back to your file area. You're going to click the Select button. You're going to get the files that you're going to zip. And then what you're going to do is click the Share button. You'll then click the Bundler button. You can then choose to select a different bundle. You can create a new bundle and give it a name. When you do that, you'll then click Create. Once you've done that, you'll then click the Add button. You'll then click the Share button on your bundle. And once you click the Share button, you are then going to click Save to Files. And then you'll choose your iCloud drive. And you'll notice that you're going to be saving this as a zip file as indicated here on the screen. You'll then click iCloud drive or whatever cloud drive that you want to send the bundle to. You can choose a folder, and then you're going to click the Add button. And you'll notice now that our bundle is in our iCloud drive, ready to be shared. And we can share this zip file with any other cloud drive where we are going to be delivering our content. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.